Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more problems, some different models in this video belongs to coordinate geometry. Okay, now see, the first problem is find the area of the triangle whose lengths of sides are 15 meters, 17 meters, 21 meters using Heron's formula. Here, area of the triangle we calculated by coordinates. Vertices of coordinates given means we calculated, that is half mod x1 into that formula I told by using that formula. But here Heron's formula, we should learn what is meant by Heron formula. I will explain first what is Heron formula, then I will explain this. Once you know the formula, then you can directly substitute. Okay, Heron formula. Heron's formula. What is Heron formula means? Suppose ABC is a triangle. Suppose three lengths are given, A, B, C. This length is A, this length is B, this length is C. Lengths given, suppose lengths these are. In numerical, later we will do. For formula, I am telling about formula. Now, what is Heron's formula is, according to Heron, he suggested one formula to find the area of any triangle. To find the area of any triangle. Suppose area of triangle half into base into h means this is base, h we should draw the h. So for that some construction is there, we should draw the perpendicular h to measure that then something. Suppose this is area on the land. Suppose it is on the land. Then land is in the shape of like this irregular triangle, scalene triangle. Then how to, this is not equal to triangle. We cannot use half into b into h because how can you write perpendicular on the land? So that is also possible. In that cases, this formula is very useful. Okay, without drawing anything. Sides we know. Okay, that's then in that cases the formula is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c root of, where a, b, c are the sides. A, B, C are the lengths of the sides. Now what is S means here? S is A plus B plus C by 2. So half perimeter, half of the perimeter. A plus B plus C means what? A means this length, B means this length, C means this length. Three lengths we are adding, that is perimeter. Perimeter of the triangle. Perimeter of the triangle. By 2 means half perimeter. Where S is half perimeter. So this you remember this formula. What is that formula? Square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is half perimeter, that is a plus b plus c by 2, and a, b, c are the lengths. So in that cases we can use this formula. If three sides known means, then Heron formula is useful to find the area. Now he asked that only directly, he gave lengths, he gave. By using Heron's formula, calculate. So, given lengths, ABC only you note down, see, A, small a, lengths. Suppose 15 meters, one length is 15 meters. Any order you can take lengths. B, 17 meters, he not given, no. If he gave specifically means, that order only you follow. Not given means, we can choose. I took in order. So, 17, 21 meters. So, the one side is 15 meters, one side is 17 meters, one side 21 meters. Now sides you know, they are only indicated by A, B, C. Now Heron's formula what? I told Heron's formula. Heron's formula is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c root of. Now we should calculate s. S is equal to a plus b plus c by 2 I told. Now substitute the a plus b plus c values. 15 plus 17 plus 21 by 2. That is, this is, you add 15, 17. This is 32 plus 21. 3, this is 5. 53 by 2. 53 by 2. Okay. Leave off like this only. No problem. Okay. Last we will calculate 53 by 2. Now substitute. Therefore, area of the triangle is s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c root of. That is s value 53 by 2 into 53 by 2 minus a is 15 into 53 by 2 minus 17 into 53 by 2 minus c. C is 21. So this all under square root. Now 53 by 2 into this you do okay 53 minus 1 means 30, this is 30 into by 1 you take LCM. I am doing 53 minus 2 times now 34 2 53 minus 1 now 2 times 42. So like this. So 53 by 2 into 53 minus 30. 53 minus 30 is 23. 23 by 2 into 53 34. 5 no 13 means 9 here 1 19. 19 by 2 into 53 is 42 1 1 11 by 2. So like this there. So totally you multiply 53 into 23 into 19 into 11 by 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16. So all are odd numbers only. So this is all again under root also. You should do multiply. Multiplications you do 15 17 21. See, first of all 15 17 21 you calculate 12 12 plus 1 is 12 plus 1 is 13 1 1 5 53. Okay, now this 53 into 23, these two 3 3s are 9 3 5s are 15 6 10 9 1 2 1. This with 19 9 9s are 81 8 9 1s are 9 plus 8 is 9 plus 8 17 1 18 plus 1 is 19 1 9 1s are 10 9 1 2 1 1 16 1 1 plus 1 3 2. Last with 11 23 161 23 161 1 7 7 4 5 2. This equal to 254 771 by 16 under root came. So that is 254,771 under root by 4. For 16 root is 4. So separately for that only root you calculate. Root. Point after 1 digits is enough. So 254,771. 254,771 for this root you calculate. See root in this which root 6 6 are 36 means 5 5s are 25 only. 47 you down. Double and one number 1 write also no. 0 you are writing here 0. This 0 go to there. 47 only. Now again double this one. Double 100. One number you write this one. 4 you write. 4 4s are 16 1. 4 0 0 1. 4 0 0. 4 1s are 4. Okay. Now 4. This is approximately point after point no need. Point after round figures only we are taking. So square root of this is points will come. No need points by 4. So square root of 25,4,771 is 504 by 4. Now this you divide 4. 4 1s are 4 10. 4 2 are 8 2 24, 4 6 are 24 square meters. So points you want means you can do, that is the answer. I am not doing the points, exact values only I am doing. 126 square meters. Okay, just a direct formula you remember, s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, where s is equal to a plus c b plus c by 2. Now see second sum, find the area of the square forward the points. Here points give, square area is asking. So one square is there, points you give, 4 points you write in order, 0, minus 1, B 2, comma 1, C 0, comma 3, D minus 2, 1. He gave this is square. Area of square is what? Side into side. Area of square is what? Side into side. Given points are A 0, minus 1, B 2, comma 1, C 0, comma 3, D minus 2, comma 1. Minus 2, comma 1. These are the points. Because this is square, we know AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA, because square. So that's why area of square is what? Side into side. So side, any side you calculate. So side AB, I am calculating AB. Length of AB, length of AB. A points, B points you write 0, minus 1 no? B point is 2, 1 no? So length means distance between 2 points, x1 y1 x2 y2. Distance between 2 points is what? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square root of. By this formula we can calculate the distance between A and B. Distance between means what? Length. Okay, x2 is 2 minus 0 whole square plus y2 is 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, I wrote directly. Okay, now here 2 minus 0 is 2 only square, plus this is 2 square. Now this is 4 plus 4 root of, that is 8 root of 8 units. So the length is root 8 units. Therefore area of the square is equal to side into side, any 2 point distance you calculate, that root 8 only will come, because you only gave that is square. Okay, now side is root 8 into root 8, that is 8. Therefore area of the square is 8 square units. 8 square units. This is simple only, because this is square, all sides are equal, that's why any side you calculate, that side you square it, that is only area, side into side. I hope everyone understood this problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.